Okay. Okay, key on. Key off. Back on. Oh, it looks like it's gonna be the intake. Try stepping on the gas. That's all the way? Okay, turn it on. Yeah. Rev it. Trying to see if the motors are being actuated. The little motor. I am connected to positive and negative. Positive and negative on pin 1 and 4. Right there. So if there is any signal going to the throttle body connector in the motor, then we should see it here. Turn the key on. And there's a signal. Let's stop the signal. Let's go back to look at it. Boom. So it's right there. That's the signal. We're seeing the command on the accelerator pedal position sensor. 1 volts 1 and 2. Step on it again. Lid off. Step on it. And the throttle blade doesn't move at all. And this is what we're supposed to see in the throttle, but what I'm doing is manually moving it in and out, and that's what you're supposed to see. But it's not working. Step on it. The command is there. Let it off. Okay. On. But nothing. It is getting stuck. See right there, stuck. There we go. Right there, stuck. And then it released. Right there, stuck. And it released. Turn it off again. Off and on. Ah, yeah. This one's moving. Okay, step on it. Now it's working. Okay, again. There we go. Okay. We're just gonna do an adaptation, but it needs to be the temperature needs to be hot, or normal operating temperature, so we can do the reset or relearn.